In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Adobe Creative Cloud error where it gives you the message saying that it's taking longer to load. Now, there's basically two different methods you can use to fix this. The first method is by heading over to an internet browser, and you need to type in latest C++ redistributable and then hit enter. Now, you need to click on this website at the very top, this learn.microsoft.com, and this will take you over to the official Microsoft C++ download page. From here, you're just going to scroll down until you see the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++, and there's two different versions that we need to download here. You need to start by downloading this x86 version, so I'm just going to click on this link like so. That should then go over to your downloads and we can open up the application. Now, if you already have this installed like I do, then what you'll need to do is press the repair button. If you don't have this installed, then you'll just need to go through the steps to install it. So I'm just going to click on repair, and once you've done that, we're then going to click on the x64 version as well. And once that's downloaded, once again, we're going to open up the application, and once again you need to select to either install it or to repair the application. Now, once you've gone through both of these steps, you can then check to see if the Adobe Creative Cloud is opening. If it's still not working, the second method to fix this is by heading over to this website here. Now, what I'll do is I'll leave a link to this in the video description so you guys can come directly over to this web page, and then what you need to do is scroll down until you see the download section, and I'm just going to press download for Windows. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open up the folder, and then we're just going to double click on this file, and that should pop up with this window here, and you need to click on the repair button to repair the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Now, once that's finished, that should have solved any issues you were having with Adobe Creative Cloud. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.